You're only given a little spark of madness. You mustn't lose it. No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. You know what music is? God's little reminder that there's something else besides us in this universe. A harmonic connection between all living beings, everywhere, even the stars. What's right is what's left if you do everything else wrong. You have this idea that you'd better keep working, otherwise people will forget, and that was dangerous. I think the saddest people always try their hardest to make people happy because they know what it's like to feel absolutely worthless, and they don't want anyone else to feel like that. Crying never helped anybody do anything, okay? You have a problem. You face it like a man. I used to think that the worst thing in life was to end up alone. It's not. The worst thing in life is to end up with people who make you feel alone. Comedy is acting out optimism. I'm sorry if you were right, I'd agree with you. Carpe diem. Seize the day, boys. Make your lives extraordinary. Why do they call it rush hour when nothing moves? I believe in destiny. There must be a reason that I am as I am. There must be. Death is nature's way of saying, your table is ready. The human spirit is more powerful than any drug, and that is what needs to be nourished. We don't read and write poetry because it's cute. We read and write poetry because we are members of the human race, and the human race is filled with passion. We're all given more than one set of eyes, one to see the world, one to see the rest of the world. Everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Be kind, always. The greatest gift you can give yourself is the permission to be yourself. Laughter is the best medicine, and I prescribe it to everyone I meet. Life is short. Smile while you still have teeth. The problem with life is that it doesn't come with a user manual. Spring is nature's way of saying, let's party. Being a doctor is great, but being your own doctor is even better. We're all given a limited amount of time. It's how we spend it that matters. The best way to predict your future is to create it.